Okay, so another one I was going to bring up is just some tips and like things to think about when you're using off-camera lighting and your trigger on your camera is not, things aren't working properly. Either your lights are firing when they shouldn't be, or they're not firing when they should be. And so a couple of things. One, check your channels. Make sure your lights and your trigger are all on the same channel. And then if there's anyone else in the area that could be on the same channel as you, check for that. So, like, sometimes when we're in parties, the photo booth will also be using Godox lights. And I always feel really bad because oftentimes the photo booth operator doesn't know anything.
No.
And so I'll be shooting and I'm like, where is all of this light coming from? And it's blasting full power on the photo booth.
And they're just like, oh, what's going on?
They don't know what's going on. And I'll be like, hey, what channel are you on? And they're like, what channel? And I have to go and like look at their lights and figure it out because they don't know what I'm talking about. So look for other things. Sometimes too, like certain equipment seems to affect certain channels, and I will not pretend to know.
These are all shared radio frequencies that you're on. So hotels could be on the frequency which is causing disturbance.
Yeah. So like just straight up change your channel.
The best thing you can do, honestly, though, it's the higher channels. Everyone will start at 1, 2, 3. Go to channel 28. Ain't nobody on no channel 28.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah. I had a fun time once where I was shooting at Epcot, and my light just kept firing when I wasn't shooting, and I was like, what the heck is going on? And I came to find out that one of our colleagues was also shooting at Epcot on the other side of the lake, and we happened to be on the same channel. And we didn't figure it out, until it was well into our shoot, what the heck was happening. And then, when in doubt, take it off your camera, blow on it like a Nintendo game, rub it on your pants a little bit.
Turn it off, turn it back on.